Hi, I'm Chef Marina Balakrishnan. I'm here at Omo and we're celebrating Onam, and I've cooked about 26 items sadhya. So I'm going to be talking about an Onam sadhya, especially how the Onam sadhya is served and what is it that makes an Onam sadhya so special. So I will start off by plating the sadhya. So first of all, the sadhya is always served on a banana leaf. The dishes are served in an order. So here I'm going to be talking about that. So the first item I'm serving is a little salt. Now I remember my grandmother always gave me that salt is for the nazar part of it, where the banana leaf looks so beautiful and there's so many dishes placed to it, and this is like the element that kind of wards off people's nazar. And then we have the inji puli. Now the inji puli is a very main component in a sadhya. I remember is that you eat one morsel, you dip your finger into the inji puli, you lick your finger, because it just aids digestion. Now the next component what I'm going to be adding here is some pickle. I have here the lemon pickle. It's a bitter lemon pickle that's homemade. We have some manga achar. Now these are house made banana chips. So we have the banana chips that goes in here. And we also have the jaggery chips. So these are essentially the condiments that would go in an order, which is on the top left hand side of the banana leaf. And even talking about the banana leaf, you always have the upper and the lower half. On the upper half is where you will find all the curries and all the condiments and pachadis and the dishes that's served, and in the centers where you have the rice, the sambar, all the other components that's present there. So we have the avial, which is a medley of vegetables. We've added 6 vegetables here. We have the erisheri. Now the erisheri is essentially something that is made out of cowpea and pumpkin. So we have the erisheri, which goes down here. Now kalan is something that's made with raw banana and yam. There are different kinds of kalan, and this particular kalan is called the kurukku kalan. Kurukku means to thickened. So you have kalan in the form of a curry, you have the kalan in the form of a thickened gravy. So this one essentially is the kurukku kalan. So the kurukku kalan goes here, and this is the olan. Now olan comes right in the center, and if you ask me, this is one of my favorite dishes. It's very simple. It's just ash gourd, coconut milk and cowpea. Then we have the vegetables, which is one is a thoran. Now a thoran is something where we have the freshly grated coconut that is added into it. That is what is a thoran. And we have something called the mirukku parati. So this is stir fried mirukku parati is basically a stir fry, and stir fried in coconut oil. And we have the beans mirukku parati, which goes down here. We've almost covered 3/4 of the top section. Now we have the different kinds of pachadis that will go. Now pachadis are basically yogurt and coconut paste based dishes, but in a pachadi you always find mustard seeds that's crushed and added into it. So here we have a Madura Pachadi. Madura Pachadi is basically a sweet pachadi. This is made out of pineapple, and grapes is also added into it. The beetroot pachadi, a pachadi that's made out of beetroot. And we have the vellerika. Vellerika is basically the orange cucumber. We call it vellerika in Malayalam, but it's the Madras cucumber. So this is vellerika pachadi. This is a khichdi. Khichdi is also like a pachadi, but in a khichdi you find that vegetables are deep fried and added. So we have a vendaka khichdi, which is made with okra, bhindi, bhindi that is fried. So this is the Vendaka khichdi. Then we come down to the element of rice, where the rice goes right in the center. So that is the rice. On the side is the banana. We have the papadam which goes right next to that. Now I'm just serving some sambar on top of this. That's a sambar. So this is a sambar made with drumstick and eggplant, pal payasam. And we also have the paripu pradaman. Now the pal payasam is made completely out of milk. The milk is cooked down, and the payasam is made with milk and sugar and red rice, broken butter red rice, or we use something called the onikkalari. So pal payasam is made out of that, and we have the paripu pradaman, which is more a moong dal based payasam made with jaggery and coconut milk. Now these are some of the essential elements of a sadhya. Over and above that, you can increase it to the way you want. Some people might have 4 different kinds of vegetables, maybe 2 torans and 2 merikupadikis. Now before you put the sambar, you could even put the paripu, which is like a thickened dal with ghee. That's the actually the way you know, most of the sadhyas begin. Then there is always a buttermilk and a rasam. Now the buttermilk, the rasam is a kind of hot, so to cool it down you have the buttermilk. Now some people like to finish the rice with some rasam and rice, or else some buttermilk and rice. So it just depends upon how you would like to eat it. There's no particular order in which you have to eat a sadhya. So that is a little bit about the sadhya. Onasham Sagal.